Hi there. Welcome to 10ALYTICS, your pathway to becoming a professional in the various career paths that you have chosen to learn with 10ALYTICS. My name is Priscilla, and through this video, I'll be teaching you how to sign up to the 10ALYTICS learning management system. So this learning management system is where you'd find all of your Watch Me Do It videos. And just in case you do not know what Watch Me Do It videos are, they are self-paced videos that you are meant to go through before your live class on Saturday. So we have live classes and we also have self-paced Watch Me Do It videos that you are meant to go through before your live classes on Saturday. So I'll walk you through how to access the learning management system, how to sign up to it, and also how to access the Watch Me Do It videos that you are mandated to go through before your live class. All right, so I'm just this is my Chrome browser. You may be signing up through the Microsoft Edge, Opera Mini, Mozilla Firefox, or whatever browser you have chosen. But I will be using the Chrome browser for this purpose, okay? So I'll share my screen now and walk you through that. So I'm sharing my screen now, and all things being equal, I believe that you should be seeing my screen now. So how do I sign up to the 10ALYTICS LMS learning management system? I'm going to open up a new browser, right? I'm going to open up a new browser and I would type in 10alytics.io 10alytics.io to be able to sign up, okay? I'm just going to type that in my search bar, all right? 10alytics.io, all right? And then I'm going to hit the enter on my keyboard, all right? When I hit enter, it loads up and it brings me here. You'd see this pop up, okay? You'd see this pop up. Feel free to just close it like I'm going to do now. I'm going to close, all right? And then this is what you'd see. This is the 10ALYTICS learning management system, all right? And then we would have to sign into this LMS to access the Watch Me Do videos, all right? So I'm going to, if you look at the top right, if you look at the top right, you're going to see get started, you're going to see sign in, and then you're going to see the flag of the country that you are in currently. I'm in Nigeria, and yeah, this is popping up, all right? So I'm just going to click on sign in, this sign in here. I'll click on sign in and then it brings me here, okay? For you, if you do not have any prior accounts, which most of us do not have, this is not what you're going to see. So I have an account and that's why it's bringing me here to log in, but I'm just going to click on sign up. All right, it should take you, when I click on sign up, this is what you should see directly instead of the login option, okay, the sign up option. So I'm going to put in my first name. I'm going to be signing up with a different email address just so that I'm able to walk you through all you need to know and understand, okay? So my first name is AB, all right? And then my last name, I'm just going to put in there Fanama, all right? And my email address, and I'm going to put in fanamapriscilla27@gmail.com. And then my phone number, I'm just going to type out my phone number there. You could do same on your end. My location, I'm just going to type in Nigeria, and then my password, I would generate a password, okay? Or better still, I'm going to go back and then I'm going to put in a password. All right. So I'm guessing, okay, I guess I'll just use anything that comes to my head at this point. And then I'm going to accept the terms and privacy policy. All right, so you might just want to choose a very strong password, okay? And I'll click on accept the terms and privacy policy, and then I'm going to click on sign up. All right, so it starts creating the account for me, and it says account created successfully. So it requires a one-time verification. All right, it requires a one-time verification, but then I'm just going to put in my email here, right? This is what should pop up, all right? And then I'm going to put in my password. And then I'm going to click on login, okay? I'm going to click on login, and then this is where it brings me, okay? So for some of us, you might get the one-time verification. Just take your phone, try to access your email, right? And then you would see that a one-time password was sent to you. Pick up the password and just impute it. All right. So it showed me an option for a one-time password, but I guess it picked it up automatically. So if yours isn't being picked up automatically, don't fret. Just go to the email address that you chose. All right. And then pick up the OTP from there and just impute it into the pop-up that you would see, and you are good to go. All right. If you have issues generating OTP or anything, feel free to reach out to your coordinator and or any associate, a senior data associate or a data associate. All right. And then we'll definitely come to the rescue, and tell you the next step to take. All right. But then I've been signed into the website, into the LMS. And if you look at the top right again, you're going to see that my name is showing here now. So it says hi AB, all right, and then dashboard. So how do I access the Watch Me Do videos now that I am signed in? All you have to do is click on dashboard. All right. When you click on dashboard, it's going to load up, and it's going to, yes, it's asking me for my one-time password now. All right. So I'm just going to pick up my phone, and then I'm going to try to access my email, the email I chose, and then I'm going to pick up the one-time password from there. All right. So give me a minute to do that from my phone. Right. I got an email from 10ALYTICS. Yeah, and it gave me my one-time password. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, you're going to get an email like this, and then you would find your one-time password. All right. So I'm just going to impute my one-time password here. All right. And then I'm going to click on verify. So it's going to load up, and yeah, it has taken me to the dashboard. Okay, so this is it's easy peasy. You just request for a one-time password, all right, and then it gets sent to your email address, and all you have to do is just put it in on the pop-up that you would find, and then it brings you to the dashboard. Okay, just like me, you may just be saying this is all what you'll be saying: courses, recommended courses, important notice, chat with a course advisor with no cost. Okay, even if you click on, this is my dashboard where I should find the Watch Me Do videos usually, but if you click on courses, you might also not get anything. This is for people that are yet to register. Okay, but then go back to the dashboard, and this is empty. Don't worry. As soon as you're signed in, just send a message to your coordinator and tell them that, oh, I'm signed in to the LMS, and you will be assigned a course. All right. I'm going to show you what it means to be assigned a course. So if you're in HR analytics, if you're in financial analytics, data analytics, business analysis, data engineering, data science, any of our programs, you should be assigned a course, and you are going to be assigned a course. Okay, you should see the course here. I'm just going to go to my I'm going to access my original account to show you how you ought to see your program that you registered for. Okay, so I'm going to come here. I'm just going to click on 10ALYTICS.io again and access my account. All right, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to sign out of this account. All right, I'm going to sign out of this account. I'm going to click on dashboard again, and I'm going to click on logout. All right, I'm going to click on logout so I can log into my other account, So I'm going to put in my email address. I saved my password on Google Password Manager, so it brings it out for me. And then I'm going to click on login. Okay, so when I click on login, it brings me here to the dashboard. So if you notice, all right, I can see my instructors here, and then you would see ongoing courses, completed courses, financial analytics, HR analytics. So I'm a program coordinator for the financial analytics and HR analytics. All right. And so I'm able to access both programs. All right. But then you should see something like this, as blank as this is. If you're in the HR analytics track, any track whatsoever, you'd see something like start learning. Okay, if you can't find it here, all you have to do is just scroll down a bit. If you notice, you have two scroll bars. This is the scroll bar for the big Windows system. All right, your display, your laptop display, or whatever you may be accessing the site with. And then you'd see this tiny scroll bar here, this one here that's just tiny here. So if you cannot find your courses, just all you have to do is try to click on the scroll bar and bring it down a bit, and then you'll be able to find your course. You'd see the name of your program, and all you have to do is click on start learning. When you click on start learning, this pops up, at the top right, you would see instructor-led class. Okay, you'd see week 1, you see the various weeks, right? And then just like you, I'm going to start from week 1 as well. So I'm going to click on this drop down to access week 1. All right, and my week 1 contains, for those of us in HR analytics, financial analytics, data analytics, you're going to see this exact same thing. Okay, my week 1 contains module 1, module 2, and module 3. So if I click on the drop down next to module 1, I'm going to see the videos for module 1. If I click on the drop down next to module 2, I'm going to see the videos for module 2. And if I click on the drop down next to module 3, I'm going to see the videos for module 3 as well. So this is week 1, and you are required to go through all the videos for week 1. Rest assured that if you skip any of the videos, we would know. Okay, we would find out when you skip if you skip the videos in a hurry or do any shady thing, we're going to find out. So please, we're here to ensure that you learn, and one way to learn is by going through your self-paced Watch Me Do videos. You are meant to go through these videos before your class on Saturday. If you're not doing that, you may not be able to follow entirely with the class. All right, because the Watch Me Do videos will take you through certain ways to go about certain things. It will give you certain definitions or certain concepts. All right, and then you get to practice as well. When you come to the live class, you build on the knowledge you've gained from the Watch Me Do videos, working on a case study. So if you haven't gone through the Watch Me Do videos, I doubt if you will be able to follow with the live class. So what is best is that you actually take out time to go through the Watch Me Do videos beforehand. So if you're in week 1, you'd notice that the videos for week 2 will be locked. When you try to access them, they will be locked, right? No worries. The videos get opened on Saturday evening, on Sunday, for every new week. So just focus on week 1. Focus on week 1. Try to access your videos. And also, you'd see that the videos are not just for you to watch alone. We do not just want you to watch the videos like you're seeing a movie or something. That's why we attach course material to these videos. The course material contains the data set that the facilitator in the video used. So you are meant to download the data set. All right, you're meant to download the data set so that you can practice as well. If you're watching this video, for those of us in HR analytics, financial analytics, data analytics, if you're watching this video now, I'm certain that you already have your Microsoft Excel downloaded, okay? And then all you have to do to access the worksheets that the facilitator in the video used, you just have to click the drop down next to course material. This is going to pop up. Just click on it once. When you click on it once, it automatically downloads for you, okay? So I'm going to let it load now, all right? I'm going to let it load, and you're going to find that my File Explorer pops up because it needs to save. All right, it needs to save. So all you have to do is click on save. So I'm going to take us through that process again. If you need to access the data set that the facilitator used in the video, all you have to do is click on the drop down next to course material. Just click on the data set, which is titled Excel worksheet. Click on it once. When you click on it once, it opens up your file explorer if you're like me, or then it just downloads straight up. I'm going to save again, and then you should see your download icon at the top right here. Click on it, and then you should be able to access the Excel material. So I'm going to play one of the videos for us. The first video in module 1, overview of Excel for data analytics. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to load up here. You're going to see it here, and then I'm just going to click on play. All right, I'm going to click on play. I'm going to take away the sound so it doesn't really affect you so much. Okay, so I've taken away the sound. This is how the video is meant to play. And note that you're not just meant to watch these videos, you're also meant to practice with the data set. If you skip any of the videos, we're going to find out, and then we're going to send you an email. So as much as you can, try to go through the videos step by step. They're not so much, stay committed to your learning. All right. And learning requires that you go through these videos. So please take our time to go through these videos. So this is basically how you access the learning management system, and also how you watch the videos. Please, if you're yet to be assigned a course, don't fret, don't panic. We would work on that, okay? All you have to do is register, let your coordinator know that, oh, I've signed into the 10ALYTICS LMS, and we'll pick it up from there. You will be assigned a course. Please note that you have to sign up using the registered email address with us, okay? So please sign up with that email address. If you have further issues, do well to reach out, okay? Reach out to your coordinator, and if I'm your coordinator, please feel free to reach out to me, and we'll pick it up from there. Please stay committed to your learning, all right? And yes, I hope to see you at the top someday. So I'm going to stop this video now. If you have further issues, if you have anything bothering you, if you have issues trying to access the LMS, if you have issues trying to access the videos, feel free to reach out. But know that you can only watch one video per week, okay? You can only watch one video per, you can only access 1 week, So week 2 is going to be locked. Week 3 will be locked. Every other week will be locked except the week that you are in. All right. So you should be in week 1. You'll be able to access week 1 videos. All right. So I hope this helps you. If you have any issues whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me. All right. Or reach out to your respective coordinators. Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing now, and then I'm going to stop my video, and when this recording is ready, I'll send it to you. Bye everybody. Cheers.